Are you struggling with sensitive skin and you're wondering what a skincare routine would look like at home? So sensitive skin routine can be so challenging because you have no idea what is going to cause your skin to react and what's not going to cause it to react and what is going to help it become calm and keep that inflammation under control. So first and foremost, for your cleanser, I would recommend the Cucumber Cream Cleanser. The Cucumber Cream Cleanser is going to be free of any actives or sulfates or anything that's going to dry out or disturb the natural balance of the skin and help lubricate and help maintain those natural lipids and oils on the surface of the skin so that we can keep the inflammation under control at all times. My number one product for sensitivity is going to be Noni. A lot of you have this at home. Noni works absolutely amazing. It has worked on so many things. Clients have come back, sunburns, actual burn from like an amber from an outdoor fire pit, people that get when they get their hair dyed and their hairline gets sensitive, dermatitis, steroids didn't work on their skin, but they used the Noni and the Noni worked. So it's just a little gel that you put on the surface of the skin. It's 100% organic. They say that you can actually eat it, which I probably wouldn't do, but it is absolutely amazing product, especially for dermatitis, which is pretty much like we don't really know what's wrong with your skin, name that the dermatologist will give you. Chaga, also great for dermatitis. Sensitive, reactive skin is going to help restore your moisture, take down that inflammation, and keep your skin nice and hydrated. So as you can see, sensitive skin really likes hydration, which leads me to the last product. You need to protect that skin. So 20% zinc, very creamy, will help this glide on, will help seal in the rest of the products that I just talked about. But if you are at home and you're struggling with what to do with your sensitive skin, definitely do a cream cleanser. The skin is gonna love it. The skin is gonna absolutely love Noni. I mean, if I had two products if you only could pick two, it would be those two products. And then you need a moisturizer, which would be the Chaga, and of course you need to protect your skin with a 20% zinc. Hope that helps you out. Take care.